Good evening, everyone. Welcome to Homely Chat class. Today I'm speaker James, and today is 28 November 2016. Okay, first I need to analyze the local marker for klse because recently got involved in other stock seminar, so cannot take the video. And today, okay, let's start today's brief introduction about the currently market situation. Actually, nothing happened in local market right now, as we can see from the current index picture. You can see right now actually still in last time I told you the triangle areas here and here, still in triangle areas. Actually the market is still weak right now, because we cannot see the clear direction, just in a symmetrical triangle, as we call the marker, still in sideways area. I'm very curious why KLCI is still so weak, because let's check other market first. I want to show you the crazy marker Dow Jones. Actually, Dow Jones index is totally crazy, out of crazy, just like the Trump character. Crazy man with a crazy marker. He takes the US marker, hit the sky. Actually, already breaks the sky already. You can see no reasonable store. It's about the Dow Jones. Actually, we can see, check the other marker around Malaysia. We see the first. I want to show you the China index. As we can see, actually China market also in the first step of the bullish time, right? We can see clearly uptrend right now, and just we call the slow bull marker, and still moving up right now is the China index. And let's check the Thailand. You can see also, actually Thailand also show you, no matter from the mid-term or short term, actually still show you the upward. And this is Tokyo, Nikkei 225 Tokyo. As we can see, actually Tokyo actually from mid long terms and short term also bullish shoot up, right? And Hong Kong market, we can see here, also in slight uptrend after the previous correction. Now also step into uptrend. And this is Singapore. As we can see, Singapore also show you up, right? So for KLCI right now, I think is the Malaysian market, and especially for the KLCI, is like abandoned baby. Around the Malaysia, the market all moving up, just left the KLCI side over here after the downtrend and give you a weak market sideways. It's very, how to say that, not feel good. It's about the index. Let's check the individual shares, especially in the market shares in from the KLCI. I click the Malaysia flag and we will show you the all the individual shares from KLCI. Totally, we can see that counter number here is 784 counter, right? So let's calculate today how many individual shares moving up. Okay, let's see moving down, because I range the percentage change from the intraday from high to low, and the last one moving up is Panasonic, because above zero is today moving up individual shares. So actually totally we can see the position here, just 160 individual shares from 700, over 700 mother shares up. So actually this kind of market today, especially for today, actually is very weak. Even today show you a positive bar, right? But that totally from the all total market is still not very good. Still not, just because we can see just less than how many percent, less than around just 20% individual shares, less than 20% individual shares moving. Actually this kind of market is totally weak, right? Why? Just like I to show you, no matter from Dow Jones, China index, Tokyo index, Singapore index, Hong Kong index, or Thailand index actually all show you clearly, no matter from the mid long term and short term, give you confidence, some kind of confidence from the index, right? But just the KLCI, like abandoned baby, no one cares this kind of marker, and no one cares this kind of the investor. Actually, we feel no good. But no matter what kind of market, we still have the confidence to catch the bullish counter for you. But just like I told you before, you must have the build your own standard to find good shares, right? Actually, I already showed you before through our system how to catch this kind of shares for our technique, especially for homely members, for us. No matter what kind of shares you invest, you must confirm banker inside. I mean big money or big fish or big player, institution or mutual fund, whatever. Identity is that matter. I just care, the big player, big guys inside your shares or not. Okay, I just 160. Let's just pick some and familiar. We think. Okay, the first one today, the top gainer is Kim Him. It's 70%. Wow, it looks like Ferrari, right? Actually, just suddenly jump up. No reasonable. No one can predict this kind of market he can jump like this. Actually, especially for the the short term, right? Found a reason. Actually, before that, you can see on the bottom window show you still our special indicator MCD. We call the multicolor dragon. This indicator can help you identify retail, hot money, and banker. Actually, before that, we can see the heavy retail inside and nothing special here. Price going down because heavy retail inside. After that, price just up down like this because smart money inside. I call the foreign fund. You can see the yellow bar, right? Yellow bar take the most of the position because the hot money inside. And today can move up because you got a banker inside. But currently, you can see that banker still weak. Still below 25, right? Still below 25 means this kind of shares actually still weak because banker is weak, right? Okay, is the first one, and let's found some familiar name. Mostly which one I think is familiar. Let's found some. Which one you will be familiar? Oh, this one. This one I think mostly before, and most retail will know this kind of JHM 0127. Let's check. Double click, then we'll show you. Wow, JHM actually is a superstar. Actually, before that, it started from the 0.12 till the currently the peak point. Actually, the high price now till now is a 1 ringgit point 68. Start from when? Let's check the time. Actually, he started from the. Wow, he started from the last year. Last year January. This one started from the last year January, middle January last year. Actually, so that means told you this one actually just around 2 years. Double how many percent? Wow, over 1,300%. 1,300% within 2 years. Crazy. Let's calculate through our indicator. Then we from the low point to the high point. You draw a line. Then he will calculate for you. We can see the day. Actually, he through the 410 trading days, and he percentage change is is around 1,200%. 2 years, 1,200%. Can you imagine like this? Have you ever make profit like this? Oh, crazy. If you can buy this kind of account holder 1 or 2 years, you will be the richest man. The reason why he can move up still very easy to identify. Why he can move up? Because every time he move up, he got banker support. Because banker support, this kind of shares move up. So why he can move up? We can see here. The recently start, actually we can see the banker come in price. When banker is weak, the share price moving slowly. When banker is strong, I mean move higher, the red bar moving higher, the price moving more speed up. I mean speed more faster. After that, when the price is shrinking, because why the price was shrinking? Because banker is shrinking, so the price is shrinking. Why the recently 1 month the JHM actually hit a history new high? Why he can do that? Because banker also come back again, and recently the 2 or 3 days you can see here, continue 2 days give you a 2 gap. This is gap 1, this gap 2, and just after the bank hit the 50 balance areas again. Wow, come back to the bad. Be careful this kind of shares. Just like I give you share you one word. Have you ever listened this sentence? Of course not from me. If the divine want to destroy, I mean destroy someone. If the divine want to destroy someone, he must make him crazy first. Actually, JHM is just some kind of like a crazy shares right now in the Bitcoin right now. Be careful this kind of shares. Be careful this kind. If you already bought this kind of shares, how to sell this kind of share for is the first idea you should think about right now. Our indicator, so need rely on our indicator how to sell this kind of shares. Once the bar getting shorter or even change color, the banker is shrinking. At that time, you should be careful this kind of shares. You should be careful this kind of shares. Even currently still very bullish right now, but prepare for the worst, right? Okay, it's a JHM, Let's check. Okay, give you another one. Let's find some familiar from the today's up shares. Oh, this one I think mostly all Dufu 7233. Actually, most of the retailers like this kind of shares because these kind of shares are also very bullish. I checked this one actually around over 1 year ago already. Found this one. Till now, this one actually already very high. You can see also touch the history new high. You can see here, right? Also touch the history new high. It's very bullish one. Why? He can hit a history new high. Also can see that currently the banker about 50, now even over 75 is totally strong, right? Also the crazy one. Every time he move up, he has a banker support. When the banker shrinking, the price is shrinking. When the banker is shrinking, price is shrinking. When the banker coming, the price move up. Very easy to identify. Just like it's really very hard to invest in the share market. No, totally no. Because if you still think investing in the financial world is very hard and very dizzy, cannot clearly see the direction right now. Because first, you do not have the rich knowledge. Second, you do not have the powerful weapon to help you to support you. Just like our homely system, your system you're using right now, you can see the banker inside. You can see the banker data, or you can see the big money, big player. I think you cannot if without my system you're using, because we can clearly show you the red bar every time before he moving up or just when he moving up. I can show you big player inside or not, or institution inside or not. It's very clear, right? So how to buy, how to sell, right? Still need to follow the indicator. I mean, the indicator to help you to define a sell point. If your eyes is okay, if it's not colorblind, just see the color change is your buy or sell point, right? When the green change to red for buy signal, when the red to green is a sell signal. No matter what kind of shares, no matter, I didn't care the fundamental is good or bad, even the fundamental is bad, but the technical tell you big player inside, okay, whatever, right? You got reason to buy, still got reason to buy this kind of shares, right? Because for most of Malaysia, investor right now, actually, you already know, even the fundamental is very good, right? The still share price still can moving down. Have you ever think about the reason? Why the fundamental is so good? Why the price is still moving down? Why the fundamental is so bad? Why the price can move up? Have you ever think about this reason? Actually, I tell you, actually very easy, very simple to explain this. Just a big player or institution or fund manager buy this one or not. If your counter got big money to support, I mean the big player support, actually the identity of the for the share actually not very important. Not very important. You just follow the big player. I mean just follow the red bar coming. When the red bar is shrinking, you sell. Actually, it's very easy to handle. Okay, that's for today's class. If you have any question, you can just call me. My name is James, and my phone number is 012-269-3102. 012-269-3102. Thank you.